Tuesday, May 31st edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday weekend. Began to feel more and more like summertime out there. And of course, we dealt with the first tropical system here since we had that very, very early season system back several months ago. But yeah, we had Bonnie form, become a tropical storm, make landfall near the Isle of Palms early on Sunday morning. And the effects of what's left of Bonnie still being felt across the region. There's a look at the Avalon Pier web camera during the 5 o'clock hour this morning along the North Carolina Outer Banks. There's been a recent shower out there. Temperature sits at 68 degrees there at Kill Devil Hills. There's a look at Carowinds this morning, the brand new Carolina Harbor Water Park area. Quiet, of course, at this early morning hour. Temperature there at Carowinds at 64 early this morning. There's your temperatures during the 5 o'clock hour. Very warm and muggy start to the day. 73 in Columbia, Fayetteville 72, Greenville at 60, Greensboro rather 68, Greenville at 70, 56 in Boone early this morning. No longer is Bonnie a classified tropical system. It's what we call a post-tropical system. In other words, a remnant area of low pressure centered about 29 miles west-southwest of Myrtle Beach, just drifting to the northeast at 4 miles per hour. Wind sustained at 15 miles per hour. Obviously a very weak area of low pressure. And we're going to see what's left of Bonnie just kind of drift up the coast and gradually head on out to sea thereafter, but just kind of a weak, diffuse low pressure that's left over. Now, this was the radar through the day yesterday. Very easy to pick up the circulation of Bonnie, centered right about here, there through the upper South Carolina coast. You had some scattered showers and storms, especially over in central and southeastern parts of North Carolina. That was your Monday afternoon radar for Memorial Day, and again, some areas got wet. A lot of the I-85 corridor managed to stay dry, though, as yesterday rolled along. Over the past couple of hours, relatively quiet in most spots. You do have a few showers in the Outer Banks. You saw the results of that on the Avalon Pier web camera a few moments ago. But it's still relatively quiet this morning over a lot of the region. A little bit of rain around Durham. And as we go deeper into the day, I do expect scattered showers and thunderstorms to begin to pop up. Here's the surface map, that low pressure, what was once Bonnie, keeping tropical moisture in place. Here's the high resolution modeling for today, the rapid refresh. And you notice as you get toward the afternoon hours, definitive uptick in the coverage of those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, that's especially evident mid and late this afternoon as you get into the heating of the day. Temperatures today will be quite warm around the region. Certainly very warm weather setup for today. Very similar weather tomorrow as we go through our Wednesday. Again, I think some afternoon scattered showers and storms. Your high temperatures tomorrow well into the 80s again. And Thursday still the chance of at least a few showers and storms. We begin to see what's left of Bonnie exit, but here comes this next cold front approaching. Your Thursday highs shape up like that. Now, that next cold front kind of moves in and falls apart as we get into Friday and Saturday, right on its heels. Another cold front approaches on Sunday. The result of all that is a continuation of some scattered shower and storm chances Friday, Saturday, and Sunday before it looks like eventually a little bit of a drier air mass rolls in as we get into Monday of next week. So here's what it looks like in the upper levels. This is the European model valid this morning. You go out to 108 hours, that's Saturday. Notice this little piece of energy left behind in Texas. That kind of slows the whole pattern down for the weekend. A lot of times the European model had a bias of leaving energy back into the southwestern part of the country too long, but if you take a peek here at the GFS for Saturday morning, it's very similar, and the Canadian is very similar with that piece of energy. So that's probably the overall correct idea. So let me take you through the days very quickly here. This is this afternoon on the GFS, some scattered showers and storms. There's tomorrow, very much the same. We get out to Thursday. There comes the approach of that next front, so at least a few showers and storms Thursday. And heating up ahead of that front, the GFS wants to push some 90s in here. I've not gone quite that hot, but certainly looks like a pretty warm setup here for the rest of the week. We go out to Friday, scattered showers and thunderstorms. That first front dies out on Saturday, but still some scattered storms. Then here comes the next one approaching with, again, good chances for some showers and storms Sunday. And it looks like that one has enough upper-level support to push on through here. So there's Monday, and then there's Tuesday kind of drying out, but some lower levels of humidity behind that front for Monday and Tuesday of next week. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.